By the end of this video, you'll learn exactly how to mint an NFT through the contract using only Etherscan and MetaMask. All you'll need is a MetaMask wallet with enough Ethereum to pay for both gas and the NFT. Keep in mind that minting an NFT through a contract is risky. It's not as easy as pressing a couple buttons on OpenSea. There are a couple places that you can go wrong, such as paying a little bit too much for gas or writing in the wrong field, as I'll show you later in the video. Lastly, every contract is different. We're going to go through one example so that you can get comfortable minting an NFT on Etherscan, and later in the video we'll show you exactly where things can change for the project that you're minting. The first step is finding the project's contract. You can likely find this on their Twitter account or in the Discord. Once you found the contract address, you can go to etherscan.io, paste the contract address in there, and then click addresses. Once you're on the contract's address, now we need to go to the contract itself. So scroll down and click contract, and then click Write Contract. Now that we're on the contract page, we're going to connect our MetaMask to Etherscan. We can do that by clicking Connect to Web3 and connecting your wallet. When you've successfully connected your wallet, you'll see this little pop-up that says Connected. Now that we've hooked up our MetaMask, let's take a look at the contract's details. We scroll down and we see all of these different fields. We're going to end up using one of these to input some details about our wallet and the token we're looking to buy to send it from the contract to our wallet. Now, the exact steps that we're going to use moving forward are going to be different for the project that you're looking to mint. The idea is going to be the same though. To get the exact details that you're looking to use for your project, go to the project's Discord and talk with a trusted community member, not some random person that reaches out to you randomly in DMs. It's best if they're a trusted community member, like a mod or someone with a community manager role that can actually help you mint the project. There are people out there that are looking to steal your money, and they're probably in your Discord DMs right now, so do not trust those people. And because the crypto's the Wild West, it's best to just turn your Discord DMs off completely, because most of those random DMs that you get, if there's a link in them in the first message, they're probably trying to scam you out of your money. Now that we have the disclaimers aside and the extra details aside, let's finish minting an NFT project through Etherscan. In this specific example, we need to write to the mint with N field. We click on it and we see that there's two different fields, payable amount in Ethereum, and then the NID number. In the payable amount, we're going to put the mint price. In this case, it's 0.15. And then we go down to our NID number and put our token ID in, 2328. We found this by going to OpenSea, finding the NFT that we want to mint, scrolling down to details, and finding the token ID number. If you found this video helpful so far, please like the video and subscribe for future tutorials. Once we're confident we've inputted the correct information, let's click Write on the contract. Then we'll get this pop-up from MetaMask. You can see the amount that we're looking to mint for. And then we also see this transaction expected to fail pop-up. If you're using this method to mint an NFT and the gas fee is over, let's say, $1,000, it means either someone has already purchased the NFT that you're looking to buy, or the project is no longer minting anymore. To change the NFT that you're buying in that collection, you'll need to go to NID, or whatever field it is for your project, and changing the ID number that we input earlier. A standard gas fee for buying an NFT is usually around $50 to $200. If you think this NFT isn't going to sell to someone else for a couple days, you have some time to wait until gas fees get lower. You can see what the current gas price is by scrolling up to the top of Etherscan, right-clicking this gas icon, and open link in new tab. On Etherscan, gas changes 4 times a minute. The higher the number, the higher the fee that you're going to pay. In the last 5 minutes of watching the prices, I've seen it go from $100 all the way up to $160. When it comes to your NFT purchase, that can mean between $50 and $100 difference. If you wanted to wait for a good price, you might be able to see gas at 90 or even 80. That's a relatively cheap amount, and it's not a bad idea to buy it at that price. In your situation, when you're ready to capture that cheap gas fee, go ahead and scroll down and press confirm. You could also submit your transaction now and wait for the gas market to go down to your price. You can do that by pressing edit, suggest gas fee, and then clicking low, medium, or high, depending on how fast you want the transaction to go through. If you choose the lowest gas fee setting, be ready to wait 20 minutes, an hour, even up to 10 hours. You can see the status of your transaction by opening your MetaMask and going to the activity panel. It doesn't show on my screen because I didn't actually go through the transaction, but for you, it'll say pending right here. If your transaction is stuck in pending for too long and you want to cancel it, you have a couple options. Option 1 is going to a new browser and buying the NFT over again with a higher gas fee. Option 2 is like turning it off and then back on again. You go to your MetaMask, pull this drop-down menu, allowing you to change your networks, go to some test network, it doesn't matter which one, and then go back to the Ethereum mainnet. This will remove all the transactions from your pending tab, allowing you a clean slate to start over again with a higher gas fee. And that is the end of the video. Please subscribe below for more helpful videos in the future. Retweet it if you loved it. Tag me and John, the author. I'm Ezra with the camera with StartWithNFTs.com. We'll see you in the next one.